Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial on creating a full song using Suno.ai. So let's get started. Okay, so when you first go into Suno, and you'll have this option here to click create, but when you click create, it will ask you to create an account, and then you'll create an account, and then you will be able to get a free account if you want. The basic plan is free, comes with 50 credits, and that basically will get you 10 songs. And the pro plan monthly billing is $10 a month and $30 for a premier plan. And that gives you 2,500 credits and about 500 songs and 10,000 credits and 2,000 songs. Okay. The downside to the basic plan is just the credit limit, and then also no non-commercial terms, where you get general commercial terms in the monthly plan. And basically what that means is that if you want to use your song in a YouTube video or upload it to Spotify, you can. So, okay, to create a song, you have two options. You have the custom mode, or you can just type in, like right here, it says a melodic ballad song about writing a face-melting guitar solo. So you could just do that, and it will just generate two songs at once. You can click on instrumental and we'll just make an instrumental. You can type this, you could type whatever you want, make it instrumental, lo-fi instrumental or whatever. And then custom mode is what I like to prefer to use. You can enter your own custom lyrics. You can have it make random lyrics right here, which it uses ChatGPT. And then you can enter your style of music down here. You can do a random style, and then you can even go ahead and enter your title. And if you're kind of confused on what style of music to do, you can hit this explore button, and it will have all these different styles, genres that they put together here, like a Russian dubstep. Okay, classical Caribbean. And let's see, let's just find one more real quick. It does have normal ones like pop music and stuff like that. Let's see here. Big band, alt country.
One more town, another show. Underneath the
Okay, and you can use any of these to create your own genre if you want. Or like I said, you can just type in whatever genre you want. Okay, the two songs that I just did right here. So each generation will equal 10 credits, just so you guys know that.
fingers flying, strings ablaze, guitar in hand, my heart ablaze.
So you can see it created just on its own, fingers flying, strings ablaze, guitar in hand, my heart ablaze, notes collide in perfect harmony, yada yada yada. So now I think when you do this generation, the bottom one will have the same lyrics as this one, but the style will be just a little bit different.
Fingers flying, strings ablaze, guitar in hand, my heart ablaze.
Okay, so you can see how that goes. Okay, so to make a modern country song, what I'm planning on doing, I went to ChatGPT and I said, hey, can you make a modern day country song in the style of Luke Combs? And this is what it came back with. Now you can put in your own lyrics. So if you have a song that you've been working on, I'm just doing this for video purposes right now. I have used my own lyrics at different times, and it works really great. Okay, so I would grab like a verse and pre-chorus. Suno is really great because it will give you about 2 minutes worth of music if there's a need there. So let's do that. We'll click over custom mode. You could probably get away with doing the verse, pre-chorus, and chorus, but if you just do it like this, you kind of get a little bit more control. Okay, once you get into here, you see the verse is just standing alone like this. If you left it like this, it would sing verse 1, literally say verse 1 in the lyrics, and then it would go on to sing this. So you have to put verse 1 in brackets. You want brackets on the inside, and then you want brackets on the pre-chorus as well. Okay, like that right there. And what I like to do, I like to try to give it opportunity to do a little intro. So let's do a guitar intro. Okay, now it may give you a guitar intro, it may give you a guitar solo intro. It's kind of a crapshoot. It may not give you an intro, but usually it will give you some sort of intro. And then enter style music. I'm just going to go modern, upbeat, country. Okay, pretty basic prompt there. The verse here is, like I said, it's a country song, so it's in the theme of, kind of like a small town. We were two hearts on a gravel road underneath the southern stars glow. Tailgate down, sipping on some cold beer. You and me, baby, no place but here. And then the pre-chorus is, the radio's playing our favorite song, windows down, we're singing along. Hands out the window, feeling the breeze. Life's simple pleasures, just you and me. Okay? So let's see what we can get. I'm going to generate a couple of these just to give us a couple options, okay? Okay, we're back. So we got here the first one. Let's listen to see what we get.
We were two hearts on a gravel road underneath the southern stars glow. Tailgate down, sipping on some cold beer. You and me, baby, no place but here. The radio's playing our favorite song. Windows down, we're singing along. Hands out the window, feeling the breeze. Life's simple pleasures, just you and me. It's you and me.
Okay, music's not bad. The pre-chorus, I didn't like the vocals on that one. Let's try this one.
The southern stars glow. Tailgate down, sipping on some cold beer. You and me, baby, no place but here. The radio's playing our favorite song. Windows down, we're singing along. Hands out the window, feeling the breeze. Life's simple pleasures, just you and me.
That's not bad. Okay, let's check this one out real quick.
Hearts on gravel road underneath the southern stars glow. Tailgate down, sipping on some cold beer. You and me, baby, no place but here. The radio's playing our favorite song. Windows down, we're singing along. Hands out the window, feeling the breeze. Life's simple pleasures, just you and me.
Alright, that's not bad. Okay, let's try this one.
We were two hearts on a gravel road underneath the southern stars glow. Tailgate down, sipping on some cold beer. You and me, baby, no place but here. The radio's playing our favorite song. Windows down, we're singing along. Hands out the window, feeling the breeze. Life's simple pleasures, just you and me. It's you and me, just you and me. Simple pleasures, just you and me.
Okay, so for instance, if you liked the beginning of this one until it got like, say, where it just kept on saying "Life simple pleasures, just you and me," you didn't like that part. You can when you go to extend is what you do here, because you see you only get 1 minute or 30 seconds or 45 seconds. It just depends on what the song is. You extend it, you only get time out. Okay, so after we figure out which song we're going to pick out, we got to extend it. Okay, so for instance, if you liked this song here, but you didn't like when he kept going, "You and me, baby," or "Life simple pleasure, just you and me," and he kept singing that part over. If you didn't like that, you would pick the spot in here where it started doing that.
Simple pleasures, just you and
Okay, so it was a little bit before that, but I would probably... Yeah. So where he kept doing that, I would just find the spot here, say it was... I'll find the spot real quick, just so it's...
The window, feeling the breeze, life simple pleasures, just you and me.
Okay, so I would stop it at 24, and then when I went to extend it, I would mark it at 24, and I'll show you guys what to do there. But I think I like this song better. A little funky. Okay.
We were two hearts on gravel road, underneath the southern stars glow. Tailgate down, sipping on some cold beer. You and me, baby, no place but here. The radio's playing our favorite song. Windows down, we're singing along. Hands out the window, feeling the breeze. Life's simple pleasures, just you and me.
Okay, so I'm going to extend this out. So to extend it, you click on these little 3 buttons right here, and then you'll see you have different options here. You can reuse the prompt, extend, rename, add to a playlist, visibility. You can share, copy a link, or share it to somebody. You can also download it and the video, and you can report it. Now, so we're going to extend it. And right here, when I extended it, this is the area I was talking about. If you didn't like a section of the song, like that one particular song that down here, where we wanted it to go from 24 instead of the minute long it was, you would click on this, and you would put in the number, whatever number it is. So if it was, sometimes it'll be 2 minutes, but you want 1 minute and 30 seconds, you would just click and put 1 minute, 30 seconds there. Okay, and then so for here, okay, so when you extend it, you get the exact same thing, your first prompt. So you want to click on this, since we don't need the guitar intro anymore, and we don't want verse 1 or the pre-chorus right now, okay? So we're going to go over here and we're going to get rid of that. And I don't think I'm going to go into the chorus yet. I might do, because the way it was sounding, it had another verse in it, it felt like. So I'm going to do verse 2, and yeah, maybe I'll do verse 2 in the pre-chorus, and then we'll do a big chorus. Okay, so let's try that. Pre-chorus again. Okay, and then here. Okay, put it in brackets, because brackets are the king. They rule the roost here. Now I'm going to show you guys another trick you can do. Say we want verse 2 to be quiet, so we can do maybe soft verse 2, and it might bring it in a little soft. So, and then on down here, I'm going to put brackets. I'm going to put spoken in brackets, and then I'm going to have it so it's also real, and I'm going to have it say so real. So to do that, you would put a comma, and then it's the words you want it spoken. The words you want spoken, like right there. Okay, so we got spoken in brackets, and then so real in quotation marks here, or commas, not commas, but parentheses. Sorry. So what it should do there is when it says it's also real, then it should speak it, or maybe it may sing talk it, but it will say so real most of the time. Okay, and then we got back here the pre-chorus again, and then let's do a break right here. So I'm going to try putting a break right here. Break. I'm going to put break, and then I'm also going to put stop. See if that works. One of the tricks to Suno is you got to just be flexible and play around with it. Because sometimes you'll get exactly what you want, and sometimes it takes a lot of rolling the dice to get what you're wanting. So let's see what part 2 has for us. Okay, we'll start with this one.
From sun up to sundown, we're running free. Two hearts beating in perfect harmony. Got a blanket laid out on a hill. Stars align, it's all so real. So real. So real. The radio's playing our favorite song. Windows down, we're singing along. Hands out the window, feeling the breeze. Life's simple pleasures, just you and me. Sundown, we're running free. Two hearts beating in perfect harmony. Got a blanket laid out on a hill. Stars align, it's all so real. So real, so real.
Okay, so definitely did some of what I was asking it to do. Did a soft verse, had a bass drum 4 on the floor type stuff. I didn't like the so real little break of the so real, but I could deal with that if I had to.
From the sun up to sundown, we're running.
Also, I didn't make you guys understand that this is coming directly from where we picked up on the old one. So, like where the other one was, I don't recall, 41 seconds. So this is picking up from 41 seconds on, and then what you do eventually is you put the song together. So let's try this back over.
Free, two hearts beating in perfect harmony. Got a blanket laid out on a hill. Stars align, it's all so real. So real. The radio's playing our favorite song. Windows down, we're singing along. Hands out the window, feeling the breeze. Life's simple pleasures, just you and me. Stop radio's playing our favorite song. Windows down, we're singing along. Hands out the window, feeling the breeze. Life's simple pleasures, just you and me. Just you and me. Stop. From sun up to sundown.
It's saying stop. I thought I heard it say stop on the other one. So it's picking up to say stop, even though that's not what I was intending. So let's see what this one does.
From sun up to sundown, we're running free. Two hearts beating in perfect harmony. Got a blanket laid out on a hill. Stars align, it's all so real. The radio's playing our favorite song. Windows down, we're singing along. Hands out the window, feeling the breeze. Life's simple pleasures, just you and me.
Okay, and let's try just this last one.
From the sun up to sundown, we're running free. Two hearts beating in perfect harmony. Got a blanket laid out on a hill. Stars align, it's all so real. The radio's playing our favorite song. Windows down, we're singing along. Hands out the window, feeling the breeze. Life's simple pleasures, just you and me.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with this one. You guys tell me which one you would have went with, and I'll show you why I'm gonna go with this one. So
from sun up to sundown, we're running free. Two hearts beating in perfect harmony. Got a blanket laid out on a hill. Stars align, it's all so real. The radio's playing our favorite song. Windows down, we're singing along. Hands out the window, feeling the breeze. Life's simple pleasures, just you and me.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to get it to where.
Life's simple pleasures, just you and me.
Okay, so I'm gonna pick it up from 26. That way, I'm taking out the stop I'm not. I mean, like I said, it's AI, so it's going to glitch every now and then. Um, I'm not usually how to say the words in brackets, but it happens sometimes. So we're going to extend from here. Like I said, so we're at 26. We're going to extend. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to go into the chorus. Let's see what we got here. Chorus wise. And then we might grab this bridge and then do an outro chorus. So let's throw that up. Okay. Don't forget the brackets. Our king. Now I'm going to do big chorus. Let's see here. I want this to be a really big country chorus. Now let's do the bridge. Let's do a guitar solo on the bridge. Okay, actually, let's just do away with the lyrics. We're going to do a guitar solo on the bridge. And let's see if it'll give us a outro chorus. Out the gate here or not. So, okay. Here, put it in brackets. I'm going to put outro. And I'm also going to make it I'm going to call it a huge chorus. Okay. And let's see here, down here, I'm going to put fade. See if we can make it fade out. All right, let's see if we can end this bad boy. We were picking up from 21, so we could do a 0 here, then do a 21, and let's try this. So I'm going to do a couple generations. If you're wondering how I have more than what I should have, it went the subscriptions that does not, you get 2,500. So you can see I have 1,945 left, but extra credits, I bought extra credits last month. So, but if you use all your 2,500, or say you only use, 1,000 of them, it does not accumulate credits. It'll fresh start every time. So just keep that in mind. Back to create. Okay, here we go. This one, and this one. Let's try let's see here. Didn't like the vocals sounding on that one too much.
Firefly lights, dancing in the moonlight, holding you tight. Every kiss feels like the first time. In the back of my truck, you're forever mine.
Oh, that was okay.
Firefly feels like the first time. In the back of my truck, you're forever mine.
Okay, so that wasn't terrible. What you guys think of that one? I'm gonna play this one.
Road nights and firefly lights, dancing in the moonlight, holding you tight. Every kiss feels like the first time. In the back of my truck, you're forever mine. You're forever mine.
Okay, so I think out of these, this would be the best one. So we're going to extend this one. Extend this one right here. And so if you notice, it kept just wanting to drag it out. So we're just going to go ahead and put it out of its misery. And we're going to extend it from automatic where it was at. Is it this one here? That's not the one that I wanted. Make sure we're extending the right one.
Back road nights and fire, back road nights, fire floating. Back road nights and firefly.
So if you wanted to, you could, end the song there and drop it into your DAW and cut all that off, the rest of it. We'll take it from the 1 here, so kind of give it a little bit of length. So I'm make sure I'm extending the right one. Now we're extending the right one now. Okay, so we still have the exact same stuff we had here. So we're just gonna put. Okay, in brackets, and then I'm gonna put fade out again, and let's just not put any words or anything. Okay. Now, there's a ton of prompt tricks, and I've made a couple videos about those. If you guys want to check those out, you can do things like live audience. You can do, oh my goodness, I think of some of the prompts you could do. You can make it stutter. You can just all kinds of different neat little tricks if you're trying to really personalize your song. So there's a ton of stuff you can do. Let's check this intro out, or this ending. Okay. Yeah, I was gonna say sometimes you gotta watch it because sometimes it will add something, and the only way to really fix that would be to drop it into a DAW or keep generating until it doesn't add anything. We might be safe here. Okay, so what we can do now is you want to click on here and you want to get whole song. So click on that. And now you can see it's generating the whole song with all the lyrics put together. And this would be something you can download. Even if it's free, on the free version, you can still download it. And you can make songs about anything, about your family. I did one for my wife for Mother's Day. You can personalize the lyrics to make it sing about, your kids' names or sing birthday songs, whatever. You can do anything with this thing. It's really cool. So let's check out this whole song. We're Two Hearts on a Gravel Road. I'll probably change the name of it, but let's see what it sounds like.
Hearts on gravel road, underneath the southern stars glow. Tailgate down, sipping on some cold beer. You and me, baby, no place but here. The radio's playing our favorite song. Windows down, we're singing along. Hands out the window, feeling the breeze. Life's simple pleasures, just you and me. Up to sundown. We're running free, two hearts beating in perfect harmony. Got a blanket laid out on a hill, stars align, it's all so real. The radio's playing our favorite song, windows down, we're singing along. Back row nights in fire, back row nights, firefly lights, dancing in the moonlight, holding you tight. Every kiss feels like the first time in the back of my truck, forever mine. Back row nights and firefly lights, dancing in the moonlight, holding you tight. Every kiss feels like the first time in the back of my truck. Back row nights and firefly lights, dancing in the moonlight, holding you tight. Every kiss feels like the first time in the back of my truck. You're forever mine.
Okay, so you see the song is actually 2 minutes long, but we have all this. I'm afraid to even listen with this. Yeah, so in a real situation, what I would do, I probably would have went with a different guitar solo throughout the thing. I would have dug into it more if I was trying to create a song that that I was really really happy with. And then I would take this and drop it into Logic Pro, and I would trim that out and probably master it as well in there. So, but that's how you create a song. And the same thing here, where we did the first song here. If you wanted to extend this song, you could right here, and you can extend it to, you know, whatever you want there if you want. Like I said, you know, it's pretty fun to use. I hope this helped anybody that's been asking questions on my page or my channel. If you guys have any more questions about this or regarding this, just leave a comment below and let me know. I'll try to answer everybody's questions. So thanks for watching.